Hi there, and welcome back to my channel Fullstack Explorers. As we have just completed our last series on to-dos, where we made a full-stack to-do app using Mongodb with Fresh.js framework. From today, we will start a new series. The series will be on full-stack e-commerce site, where we will show products and add products in the cart, we'll make a checkout form too, and many more things. Let's create a new project. I'm in the Fresh.js website. Scroll down a bit and copy this command from there. Open the terminal in your PC and paste the command there and press enter. Here it will ask for project name. I'll name the project ecommerce FreshJs. I will use Tailwind CSS here. Press 1 here. Press Y, as we are using VS Code. Go to that project directory. Open VS Code here by adding code dot and press enter. Alright, as we are in VS Code now, let's remove unnecessary files first so we can easily work in the project. Lastly, in index.tsx file, remove all the content. Let's show a text Fullstack Explorers here. Save the file. Open the terminal in your VS Code and write deno task start and press enter. It will add all dependencies and start the project on port 8000. Click on URL by Ctrl+Enter. Let's check the changes in the browser now. As you can see, we have a text here, Fullstack Explorers, great. Let's get back to our project again. Let's connect Mongodb with our Fresh.js project. Create a new folder here with the name utils. Create new file which will be named as .env. This file will contain our Mongodb string. Now let's create one more file in our utils folder. Right-click on that folder, click on New File. I'll name that file envconfig and press enter. This file will export our env data. I'll use config method which is provided by deno. I'll get the Mongodb string from .env file by using this config method. Now let's export our Mongodb string here. Let's add Mongodb string in .env file. Write Mongodb string, which will be equal to that string. Save the file. Let's create a new file in our utils folder. This file will be named as dbconnection.tsx. This file will create a method which we will use to establish our connection with MongoDB. I'll use Mongo client here provided by deno with type of database. Below, I'll import the Mongodb string from .env file. Let's initialize a variable here with the name of db, and this db variable will have a type of database which we import with Mongo client. Let's create a function below which create our database connection. This function will be asynchronous. Add a try-catch block here and throw the error in catch block. In try block, let's create an db instance here. Below the line, I'll use that instance to connect our DB. Add a console below so we know if the DB is connected or not. In return, we will create a database with the name of ecommerce app. Below this method, let's assign that method to our DB variable. After that, export both function and variable below. We will call this method to our main.ts file and dev.ts file, both are entry points of Fresh.js. Let's add on main.ts file first. Import the create MongoDB function above and call the function below with await keyword. Let's do the same thing in dev.ts file. Follow the same thing there. Save the file. Looks like we have an error here. MongoDB connection got refused. It happened on Windows sometime. To fix this issue, open your browser and search for how to install MongoDB in Windows. Click on first link. Scroll down a bit. Copy the start command from here. Now let's open the terminal here. Let's paste the command in the terminal. Run the command by pressing enter. Wait for the command to be executed. This command will start the MongoDB server now. As command is terminated, get back to VS Code again. Save that file again. As you can see, the error is gone now. I have told you 2 ways to handle this error. One in my to-do series, we got the same error and I have guided you how to resolve it. That's it for now. In our next videos, we will move further to go in our e-commerce project. I'll see you guys in the next videos now. Happy coding!